I served in the army for 7 years. Asian cuisine or Middle Eastern cuisine, Arabic cuisine start to come up and growing very fast. UAE and Dubai especially, I think it will become number one in multi-cuisine. Young people who love to cook, please come to the kitchen. Fish. So let me say the kingfish is my favorite.
Our Prime Minister, Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, our Vice President and Prime Minister, they want to be number one or the only one.
We're doing great as a country. We're doing great. Middle East as well. Chefs start to come up.
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाज़रीन। द शेफ्स वे में आबिद शरीफ आपको खुश आमदीद कहता है। वेलकम मरहबा टू माई ऑफिशियल यूट्यूब चैनल। तो नाज़रीन, आज हम मौजूद हैं दुबई में। हमारे साथ बहुत ही स्पेशल गेस्ट मौजूद हैं। फर्स्ट अमराती एग्जीक्यूटिव शेफ़ हमारे साथ मौजूद हैं, द वन एंड ओनली शेफ़ मुसब्बा अल काबी। Sir, thank you very much for your time.
Thank you so much, Chef. Thank you so much. Nice to meet you as well.
Yeah, nice to meet you also. Chef, tell us about your professional journey.
So I started in this hotel industry. It's like 21 years ago.
Okay.
And I've been started, in beginning I started with Jabal Ali International Hotels for 3 years.
Okay.
Then I joined Jumeirah Beach Hotel for 3 years again. Then I started to move between Dubai Trade Center and Kempinski Mall of the Emirates. Then I fly out of the country. I've been in Kuwait. I've been in Lebanon. Okay. So then I come back here. I was executive chef here. Then 10 years ago I joined Jumeirah Zabil Sarai. So I'm the executive Oriental chef over there.
Okay, mashallah, mashallah. Chef, you, as we know, you are mashallah first Amarati chef who is a executive chef who joined this field like a kitchen and he love to cook.
Yeah.
So how you start your journey, when at home or you like to cook, or what's the story?
So the story is because I love food. This has become, I mean, long time back, when I'm like 9-10 years old. So we used to go with the friends because I'm originally from Hatta.
Okay.
So we used to go to the between the mountain with the water, and we start playing and all these things. So sometimes we spend long time. So we'll go, especially when the school is holiday, we'll go like from, let's say 10 o'clock morning, we back maybe 4 afternoon.
Okay.
So we spend like 4 or 5 hours outside. So definitely we feel hungry. So from here we start to collect the money from the friends.
Okay.
Then go to the grocery, buy something from the grocery. Then back there I will divide the job. Someone will collect the wood, someone will on the fire, someone will cut the onion, tomato, something like that. So we'll cook whatever. We have very famous dish, and easy actually. It's not easy. Now it's easy because I'm long time cooking, but that time is not easy. It's called machboos. So we used to cook this one to the friends. Sometimes is overcooked, sometimes still uncooked, sometimes salty, sometimes. But we don't have other food to eat, so we eat it. So,
okay.
so started from here. But before I started as a chef, I was I work in the army. I served in the army for 7 years.
Okay.
So after that I stopped. Then I said let's go for my hobby.
Okay.
So then I turned it to the culinary journey.
Okay, mashallah,
Yeah.
mashallah. Chef, as you know, now there is a mini competition around the world. There is a French cuisine, Italian cuisine, continental. There is a mini cuisine, but the Middle East cuisine, when it will become number one, because of our Prime Minister, Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, our Vice President and Prime Minister, they want to be number one or the only one.
Yes.
So in the future, how you see where Arabic cuisine will be stand the number one, when it will be?
I think we're doing great as a country. We're doing great. Middle East as well. Chefs start to come up. I think the reason why before no one knows our cuisines, because mostly in our culture, it's the kitchen is for female. It's not for male.
Okay.
So for us to becoming a chef, it's very little bit difficult or shame.
Okay.
But now there is many chefs. So now almost of the Asian cuisine or Middle Eastern cuisine, Arabic cuisine start to come up and growing very fast. European cuisine was in the market because in the European culture, it's no problem for the man to cook.
Okay.
So that's why they are growing
They're
before
growing
us.
before us,
They,
okay.
they was in the market before us. Not growing, they was in the market before us. But now, as you said, now we are all, I mean, chefs from around the world,
Around the
and it's here. And I think here in Dubai, living more than or in UAE, let's say, more than 220 nationality.
Yes.
So all the cuisine is here. That's why UAE and Dubai, especially, I think it will become number one in multi cuisine, because you cannot find all the cuisines
Around
in
the
other
world.
countries.
Yes.
Yes, because the nationality who's living there is there's few nationality. It's
Yes,
not
yes.
mixed. So here is mixed nationality. So you can find Pakistani food, Arabic food, Emirati food, Syrian, European, Italian, whatever cuisine.
Yes,
It's
available in
it's-
UAE.
Exactly, it's available. And I think, as well as Sheikh Mohammed announced it for the new technology for the
Food Valley, yes.
for food.
This is yesterday we see the news.
Yeah, as you see, Corona, when we was, I mean, all the country is locked down. The UAE, I mean, not only UAE, there is nothing to come from outside or something to go out, you know. So all the country is locked, so nothing coming from outside. So now UAE start to, I mean, think they ourselves, I mean, to have local sources, all the products, whatever it is, fish, meat, animals, vegetable. Also, we're growing rice here.
Yes.
We're growing rice. We're growing everything. So fruit, vegetable. So I think in a while, we will no need to buy anything from outside.
Inshallah.
So everything will be from inside.
And chef, from your, as you have, mashallah, very good experience, and you are a senior citizen as well. What you like to suggest to the younger, to give your advice?
See, my advice for the young people who love to cook, please come to the kitchen. First of all, be serious, love what you are doing, and do it with love. So definitely,
The taste will become.
exactly, and in time, there will be, I mean, will be great chefs in the future in every country. It's not only in UAE, in everywhere.
Inshallah. And chef, from your side, if we are ask you red meat, seafood, or chicken, or what is meat your favorite? Which food is your favorite?
I love fish. I love fish and seafood. Basically, let's say seafood, but fish. So let me say the kingfish is my favorite.
Okay.
Yes, kingfish. Also, the second one, we have very typical Emirati dish, which is called jashid, and it's made from baby shark fish.
Okay.
So this dish is amazing. It's a nobody may be eating shark, but we eating shark.
Okay.
The baby shark.
And
yeah.
except Arabic cuisine, you have a visit around the world.
Yeah.
Many competition you are judging also.
Yeah.
Did you see somewhere you feel near to hard your food?
See, if you ask me what after Emirati food, what you will love, I will tell you Sri Lankan food.
Oh, really?
I like Sri Lankan food. I travel to Sri Lanka a lot, and I like their street food.
Okay.
Yeah, so
It's too spicy.
too spicy. I
eat
love
it.
spicy. In my home, if there is no chili, I mean something wrong in the house.
Okay.
There is many like achar, sauces, tabasco. I mean, what I have more than 20 type of spices is there in the house. Yes.
Okay.
So yeah.
Sir, thank you very much for your time.
Thank you, Chef.
Shukriya. Thank you. It's my pleasure to have you.
Thank you, Chef Abid, and I wish you all the best for you in the future, and definitely for all those young chefs who start cooking.
Yeah.
Good luck. Keep cooking.
ओके तो नासरीन माशाल्लाह शेफ़ मुशब अलकाबी यूनाइटेड अरब एमिरेट से पहले शेफ़ हैं। इनकी बातें आपने सुनी हैं, तो उम्मीद करते हैं आप इन पे अमल करेंगे और हमें दीजिए इजाज़त। थैंक यू वेरी मच एंड हैव अ गुड डे।